Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to understand and act on a vulnerability scan report. If you've ever opened a scan report and felt overwhelmed by the technical terms and long lists of threats, you're not alone. In this video, we'll simplify the process so that you, whether you're an IT manager or a technical lead, can confidently interpret the report and take informed action. Here's what we'll cover in this session. What a vulnerability scan report is and why it matters. The phases of a vulnerability scan. Types of vulnerabilities you might encounter. Key components of a typical scan report. How to prioritize remediation efforts. Best practices for responding to vulnerabilities. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to turn a scan report into a proactive security improvement plan. Let's dive in. A vulnerability scan report is a key tool in evaluating your organization's cybersecurity health. It's generated by automated security tools that examine your systems, networks, and applications to find weak points, without exploiting them. The goal is to help you fix vulnerabilities before attackers have the chance to find and exploit them. There are two main phases of vulnerability scan. 1. The scanning phase. Security tools scan firewalls, routers, servers, cloud environments, and applications, looking for potential vulnerabilities. 2. The reporting phase. The results are compiled into a detailed report. It lists vulnerabilities, ranks them by severity, and includes recommendations for remediation. Scanned result can reveal a variety of vulnerabilities, which usually fall into one of three categories. Network vulnerabilities, found in devices like firewalls and routers. Web application vulnerabilities, involve servers, databases, or insecure login mechanisms. Cloud security vulnerabilities, such as misconfigured storage or weak APIs in cloud platforms. Understanding where vulnerabilities lie helps you choose the right remediation strategy. Most reports follow a common structure. 1. Executive summary, a high-level overview showing the number of vulnerabilities and how severe they are. 2. Detailed vulnerabilities list, a breakdown of each vulnerability, its risk rating, and how to fix it. 3. Scan overview, information on what was tested, when, and how. 4. Remediation recommendations, actionable steps like applying patches, changing configurations, or adjusting access permissions. Let's face it, most enterprise environments have hundreds, even thousands, of vulnerabilities. That's why prioritization is key. Here's how to decide what to tackle first. 1. Severity level, use CVSS scores to rank risks from low to critical. 2. Exploitability, if a vulnerability is already being exploited in the wild, fix it immediately. 3. Asset importance, vulnerabilities on high-value systems should take top priority. 4. Ease of fixing, quick wins, like applying a simple patch, can reduce risk fast. 5. Business impact, focus on threats that could disrupt operations or damage your brand. To make the most of your vulnerability scan report, follow these steps. 1. Read the executive summary, then review the most critical vulnerabilities first. 2. Use tools like vulnerability management platforms and threat intelligence to assist your decision-making. 3. Validate the findings to rule out false positives before taking action. 4. Build a remediation plan with clear responsibilities and timelines. And most importantly, 5. Implement continuous monitoring, because cybersecurity is never one and done. Let's quickly recap what you've learned. A vulnerability scan report identifies weak spots in your IT environment. These reports are structured to guide remediation with clear prioritization. Understanding severity, exploitability, and business impact helps you decide what to fix first. Following best practices like proper validation and continuous monitoring ensures long-term security. Remember, understanding your vulnerability scan report isn't just about reading data, it's about transforming insights into action. With the right approach, you can significantly strengthen your organization's security posture and stay ahead of potential threats. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.